At the Systeme.io website, after you signing in with your own account, at Systeme dashboard, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. Then you want to click on the settings option just below it. On this page, you want to hit on the payments gateways option over here. And on the Stripe option, you want to tap on connect button besides it, which will take you to this page. Then you want to choose on your Stripe account after you signing in with your email to the Stripe and hit the connect button. You will be redirected to Systeme, and when you open the Systeme payments gateways again, your Stripe account will be in progress to integrate with. After a few minutes, you can try to reload the page and you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.